Hi guys, welcome back to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and the most relevant drone news. Today we're back with another video and a very exciting one where we're going to be talking about the upcoming GoPro Hero 9. We have a lot of leaks to cover and also we have a picture of for you of what could be the upcoming GoPro Hero 9. So stay tuned. But before we get started with today's video, make sure you help us get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st. If we're able to get to this number, then we're going to be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure you help us get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So today, Drone DJ made an article where they are talking about a leaked picture that just came out today, which is showing us what we could be seeing on the upcoming GoPro Hero 9. So, last month, there was an FCC test bench leak where we learned a couple facts and small things of what could this new GoPro Hero 9 have. And this is the following from what we learned back then. So, the big feature is a new menu option which is titled Display. This is going to probably suggest that the camera will be equipped with two screens, one in the front and one in the back. Something similar to what we already see in the Osmo Action from DJI, okay? But today we got a new leak from a Reddit user who has made it even more apparent that the upcoming GoPro will definitely have a front display, okay? So, as you guys know, the GoPro Hero 8 has been in the market for a while now and it sells for $299 here in the United States. And that camera has a big screen in the back and a small one in the front, but the one in the front is really relevant and really helpful, as that only shows the battery life and a couple little things, and it's not really practical. So right here on screen is the GoPro Hero 8 in case you don't know what I'm talking about. So that is the current GoPro Hero 8, which is battling against Osmo Action from DJI, okay? So this camera from DJI already has two screens, one in the front and one in the back, but the one from DJI is it's a bigger screen, and this is going to allow us to do vlogs and to see ourselves in the camera, which is really practical and something that the GoPro is lacking right now. So the Osmo Action retails for $379 here in the United States, and right now it's in a great deal in Amazon for $249. So right here is a screen, it's a picture of the Osmo Action from DJI. So let's talk a little bit more about the GoPro Hero 9 that might be coming in the upcoming weeks. So today there was a picture leaked from a Reddit user we already mentioned, and this definitely is going to allow us to probably make more accurate guesses from what we might be seeing from GoPro. So right here on screen is the GoPro Hero 9 leaked picture. So as you guys can see, the display looks to be a similar size to the DJI Osmo front display, and it will likely not be a touch screen. Instead, more of a display that can be used to frame a shot without having to look at the back of the camera, which is really nice and neat for when you're a blogger. So that's really nice. When you're setting up a tripod with that, when you're filming in that type of scenario, this is really practical. We can also see the Hero 9 will have a similar microphone setup to the Hero 8. And what I'm hoping for is that we can be seeing a removable lens. That would be real nice. And also I would really like to see a bigger camera sensor, as the sensor that the current GoPro Hero 8 uses is a 1/2.3-inch sensor, which is really small, and it's the same camera size sensor as what we see in the original Mavic Pro, in the Mavic Air 1, in that kind of drones. And so also the Osmo Action has the same size sensor, so I would really like to see GoPro to implement a bigger sensor. I think if they do this will really be a popular camera, as we're gonna be able to get way better quality, and especially during low light situations. That I think what I would like to see, and I think what GoPro might be doing, is a bigger sensor if they're able to fit it in, and hopefully a removable lens. So probably as we already mentioned, the microphone is going to be pretty similar in size. So right here is a picture of of the original GoPro Hero 8, and then on top the red picture is the GoPro Hero 9. So you guys can see this design is pretty much the same, just a little bit a larger screen, as we already mentioned, and the camera size looks to be pretty identical, and also the microphone. So as you guys know, GoPro has been fighting against DJI since the launch of the DJI Osmo Action camera. GoPro has been needing to share your market with DJIs, so it's probable that we might be seeing a GoPro Hero 9 pretty soon. I don't know when, we do not have any leaks on when this might be coming out, but in my opinion I think this might be coming out real soon, probably, I don't know, in the next month or two we might be seeing a new Hero 9, so that's going to be able to battle against the current Osmo Action. And we also talked about DJI who is planning to release another action camera. That's a picture, we're gonna leave a picture of that right here on the screen. So we don't know if this is gonna become a reality, but we know that was a leak, and we made a video talking about this more in depth. So if you guys wanna check it out, make sure you go down and scroll in the channel and look, and we're gonna put the video down in the description. So that's all we have for you guys today regarding the Hero 9. We do not have any more information, but as soon as new information comes out, we'll keep you posted. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.